what it looks like outside. The music is so cute. That's the menu?
Check out this. Keep going.
Ooh, that's so cool. I dropped my motherfucking boot down here. Ooh, so dirty. Yuck. You're cute as fuck. So we just ordered some food from Bucky. And now we about to go smoke a wood. Period. Period.
Where are we going?
Ooh, that ass. Ooh, that ass. You're dumb. You guys want to like go sit on the side here or something?
You guys have a lighter?
Yeah, you already asked. Oh, there's a picnic table.
You already asked. Okay, we can go.
What if spider looks like this?
Okay, wait, let me see.
Recording, yeah.
Oh.
Look, y'all, we got some bag. We got some Bucky. Let's show them the bag. Look what the bag looks like. Okay, which one is that one?
Jenny. Jenny on it, but I didn't get chicken fingers.
Your
camera looks nice.
Yeah. So we outside,
Looking
motherfucker.
cute, Please, don't let me get started. I got my White Claws, I'm good.
Okay, which one is it? Oh, the mac and cheese is upside down. Ooh, it's hot as fuck.
Okay, but we're gonna put it back in the bag.
Oh my god.
We should put it back in the bag.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I think there's some loose in the bag. Yeah, hold on. Okay, that's mac and cheese. We got nachos in there. This a Bucky with chicken strips, a biscuit, the potatoes. It's good. And there's a burger down there, but I'm not trying to show that. I got a pickle.
Yeah, I know. Mac and cheese is good.
I want to try it after. This pickle's good.
Oh my god, I can really about to be a mom.
Mmm.
It's crazy, like it's crazy.
It's good.
I already feel like a mom. You are a mom now. That's the rest of your life.
It's good.
That's the thing I can't wrap my head around yet. That's forever.
It is.
Forever. You're gonna be always a mother.
And my life will never be how
It is a little spicy.
Ever.
Is it too spicy? No?
I love spicy food, so this is good.
Mac and cheese spicy?
I got some hot sauce.
You like it?
Oh, it is a little spicy. It's like afterwards.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but
Until I'm not pregnant. And when I'm not pregnant, I can't be eating.
okay.
What is that, chicken?
No, it's fried. Almost fried. These are good.
I told you it was not speed.
Oh my god.
I even tried to slow down. I tried to slow down. It wasn't enough. Are you good, Karen? Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh my god, look at this burger.
It's always got one.
You got the same one, eh?
I didn't get one.
Oh, I thought you... Look at this burger. Oh my god. There's coleslaw and shit inside. Like pickles. Big ass pickles.
I do real shit. I talk cash
Look at
shit.
these napkins. They're cute. Guys, we're back up.
What's in that guy got? The salad, whatever. You know the AC guns? Okay.
Yeah, look outside. Hi, they're having a party. Reality hoes. Don't that mean? A road trip.
Like the first time?
These big ass napkins. Thick. No, so yeah, take a piece. Ma douce, je donnerai mon cœur sans souci. Jolie baby, my camera is dirty as fuck.
Then you brought me to my eyelashes.
Eyelash, lip gloss. He's a runner, he's a drug star. You don't run away when it gets hard. Girl, let me see. Walk, 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 walk. There's hella people here. Whew.
It's impossible you'll be able to see outside.
No, but even if you're not.
There's alcohol, yeah. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. The sun feels good as fuck. Period. Imagine we took over in the water.
Yo, can we honestly wait? I didn't bring my debit, but wait just 2 seconds. Let me just verify. Click out.
So we're not walking back. And I don't think they have kayak for 3
Do you
people.
have yours?
Yeah.
Can I send you money if like we can rent a boat?
They don't think they even have for free.
But like, there's one that looks like the rowing. It's not a kayak. It's a row.
Oh,
we
row,
can drink
row,
on the row.
row your boat
gently down the street. I swear to God, if we can. Are you doing vlogging?
Almost tripping, actually. I thought that was Ooh, it's pretty down here.
I'm scared.
Oh my God, there's a lot of people. A lot of people just sitting by the mountain. Want to just sit by the mountain? Like sit down?
Yeah, we can just
Oh, look on that mountain down there or something.
that little one.
Yeah, because I have a speaker.
Okay.
So we don't be
There's
too much.
tables over there.
You can actually go.
Look in the rocks. We should go in the rocks, low key, and sit in the
Let's go
rocks.
on the rocks.
Yeah, this is pretty as fuck.
Look, I really
I've
think
never
we can
been
rent
here.
a
Is this
boat.
new?
You can wear a bathing suit here too, you know?
I am wearing my
I should've
bathing
kept
suit.
mine on.
I already have
Yo
my
guys,
bathing suit
we're
on.
gonna rent a boat. There are 3 in the boat.
We're gonna fall in
We're
the
gonna
boat.
rent a boat.
I have my speaker
Yo,
too, eh?
wait, but where do you rent the boat still?
Probably right here. There's a lineup.
Maybe.
Yeah, people have barbecues and. This is actually really pretty. The water's like sparkly down there. I wonder if people. Oh no, yeah. Oh, those rocks are so pretty. Oh, and there's hella picnic tables, picnic chairs. She said, "Oh, this is nice." Oh my God, I can't stand these hills and these slides. What? It's actually nice as fuck. It's actually so nice. That lady was a bitch. We're going to the rocks. I know it's black girls like, let's see what the hype is about this White Claw drink. I see everybody drinking this.
She's not ready for it though.
Ew. Tastes like watered down
I
juice.
was here like it's lit.
So we're sitting out here. We low key. I was playing music, but I started vlogging, so the music is not playing. But we're gonna start drinking and we'll be back. Guys, look at the caterpillar. Look how big it is. Imagine these turn into butterflies. It's so pretty. It's like red velvet.
Nursing
I'm too afraid of being
I can see you as a
like
being a
that.
nurse still.
I can see myself.
It kind of looks like a butterfly.
being a nurse.
What?
I mean, you could get a good
It kind of looks like a butterfly.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's really looking at Shiloh. It's like, hi. Yeah, it's really talking to Shiloh.
Take it home, Shiloh, for baby.
Hi, he's so fluffy.
You would eat it.
I would definitely not.
Maybe you would attack that bitch.
I don't have.
What do we?
No, but you should definitely look into that. For real, just finish off your high school, like even Shiloh.
Yeah, I've been wanting to do
Finish
it
off high
since
school.
winter.
Yo, why is it coming here?
Do it.
Don't procrastinate, just do it because you have all
Yo,
this
y'all,
time.
it's not leaving us
For
alone.
yourself, like this is literally legit for yourself. You have to love yourself enough.
He's
to
a
want
runner.
to be
He's a
better,
track
you know?
star.
No, it's facts.
Caterpillar, Cursa, right next to you. No, the bottle cap, not you, Cursa. That's disgusting.
What am I supposed to do though?
Pick him up with your hand.
Bro, I'm about to pick him up with my hands.
He's gonna fall.
Okay, but you do something, Shiloh. Do something.
See, I'm moving. Charlotte likes to flick things my way.
Baby, won't you come my way?
Oh, look, it's right there.
Yeah, no, it's right here.
Oh.
Pick it up and put it on the tree. Going on a ride. Put on the bus, the bump.
No, I actually sensed the trick I just did. There's another one.
It's so big.
Where is it?
Oh my God, there's a caterpillar tree. They're all dead. Can we move? I feel like they're all on me. Krista, it's filled with caterpillars. Look at the bottom. They're all dead. Look. I feel like there's caterpillars all over me now.
Yeah, there's a lot of caterpillars.
It's literally a caterpillar tree. Look at the leaves. They're all eaten. Oh, there's one hanging on the branch. They're all on the leaves. Okay, no, can we move from under here? I feel like they're all in my hair. Yeah, I know. I'm joking. I thought there was one in her hair.
Yo, you don't joke about that shit, Shaïlah.
Yes, bitch.
Oh,
Me too. Let's go see if there's bathrooms down there. Okay, but we have to. Yo, there's a fucking caterpillar tree, yo. I wonder if there's cocoons. I gotta pee really bad. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. So I'm home. I look retarded. I look crazy. I'm actually pretty lit. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys next video because I don't know how to do this outro right now. I'm too. Yeah, anyways, you know the rest. So, alright, so I'll see y'all in the next motherfucking video. Peace out.